Is the SUD Life Fortune Plus plan truly a path to lasting financial security or just another conservative savings product with limited upside? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. So hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now before we analyze this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So this is a non-linked participating individual savings life insurance plan. So some of the key features of the policy are: you have the option to select from 3 different plan variants based on your financial objectives. You have the assured guaranteed maturity benefit at the end of the policy term. There's flexibility to choose the premium paying term and the overall policy term to suit your cash flow and planning horizon. And you're also eligible for tax benefits. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and there are benefits like death benefit, maturity benefit, survival benefits, and terminal bonus, which will all differ based on the plan variant you have opted for. So now let us take a look at the advantages. You have the flexibility to choose a suitable plan option aligned with your cash flow requirements. There is a built-in premium waiver benefit and a benefit option too, like Child Plus, ensuring continuity of the policy in case of unforeseen events. So the sum assured on maturity increases in proportion to the premium amount chosen, and there is a policy loan facility available up to 70% of the applicable surrender value, which is subjected to terms and conditions. Under option 1 Gold Plus and option 2 Child Plus, declared bonuses enhance the overall maturity benefit. So these are some of the advantages of the policy, and there are some disadvantages like this product does not offer you any optional rider benefits to enhance coverage, and the policy term and premium payment term are rigid, offering limited customization. So the expected returns are comparatively lower than alternative investment avenues, so the sum assured may not be adequate to meet long-term financial goals or protection needs. So these are some of the drawbacks of the policy that you need to keep in mind before deciding to invest in this policy. So now, if you want to know more about certain aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer the policy brochure as well. So now, as we have a basic idea about the policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us make a more informed decision. So let us consider that a 40-year-old male has opted for this policy with a sum assured of 10.5 lakhs. The policy term is 20 years with a premium paying term of 7 years and an annual premium of 1 lakh under the Gold Plus option. So the maturity benefit inclusive of applicable bonuses is payable at the end of the policy term. So for example purposes, let us assume the insurer project returns at 4 and 8%, which is given in the policy brochure, and these returns are not guaranteed or do not represent the maximum achievable returns. This is just to show you how this policy can perform at a worst and best case scenario. At 4% assumed return, the projected maturity value is 9.97 lakhs, translating to an IRR of approximately 2.10% as per the policy's maturity calculator. So at an assumed 8% return, the maturity value increases to 18.86 lakhs, resulting in an IRR of around 5.96% as per the policy's maturity calculator. So even under the high return scenario, the IRR remains below the long-term returns typically available from several debt-oriented instruments. So over a 20-year horizon, such returns may struggle to beat inflation, potentially leading to a shortfall in meeting future financial goals. Furthermore, the sum assured itself may not be adequate to provide comprehensive financial protection for the family. Considering these factors collectively, the policy may not be a compelling choice for investors seeking efficient long-term wealth creation and adequate life cover. So now, as we know that this policy does not give us the desirable outcome that we need, this is where we are going to take an alternative approach in which we are going to invest in insurance and investments separately instead of bundling them up. So here what we are going to do is, in the previous scenario, the plan included a life cover of 10.5 lakhs. Here we are going to take a comparable pure term life insurance policy offering the same cover, which would cost you only 20,700 rupees for a 20-year term with a 5-year premium payment period. This approach frees up 79,300 rupees annually, which can be invested according to individual risk tolerance. So if you are a conservative investor, you may allocate surplus funds to debt-oriented avenues such as the Public Provident Fund (PPF). And if you are an aggressive investor, you may consider equity-oriented options such as equity mutual fund schemes. For example, let us evaluate the equity route. Since the premium paying term is 5 years in the pure term insurance policy, the full 1 lakh will be available for investment in the next 2 years. So if the surplus annual premium outflow is redirected into an equity mutual fund for the same tenure, the accumulated corpus at the end of the term would be approximately 41.24 lakhs, which is pre-tax value. After accounting for capital gains tax, the post-tax value would be around 36.99 lakhs, translating to a post-tax IRR of 10.17%. And if you have any doubt regarding how we have calculated the tax for equity mutual fund, you can see that we have presented a small tabular column on the screen for your easy reference, which you can pause and see. So this return profile significantly exceeds the IRR generated by the SUD policy and has a higher probability of beating long-term inflation. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the SUD Life Fortune Plus plan worth it or not? So this policy offers three variants, allowing policyholders to choose based on their stated objectives. So depending on the selected option, the plan provides life cover along with survival or maturity benefits. However, beyond these standard features, the product does not present any meaningful differentiators. So more importantly, the return profile remains modest for a long-term commitment. The sum assured may also prove inadequate to meet a family's essential financial requirements in the event of an unforeseen contingency. Consequently, the plan appears to underperform on both fronts, like insurance adequacy and investment efficiency, and it also has a high agent commission. With relatively low returns, limited risk coverage, and no distinctive structural advantage, the SUD policy may not justify inclusion in a well-constructed portfolio. A more efficient strategy would be to opt for a pure-term life insurance policy with sufficient sum assured, which is typically available at a relatively low premium. You can also build a diversified investment portfolio aligned with your risk appetite, time horizon, and financial goals. So there is also segregating insurance and investment, which ensures clarity, flexibility, and better long-term outcomes. You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.